Nassim Haramein mathematical model of holographic gravity. I checked this article. See the equation 19 and study the equation 19, which actually is the main attribute of his mathematical work, of his theoretical approach to gravity. This equation of Nassim Haramein has no mathematical meaning as far as I understood, but it also has no physical meaning. What does it mean? This means that the elements in this mathematical equation of Nassim Haramein, there are certain elements in this equation. 19, check the article. And there are certain elements in this equation. He has discrete quantity. Discrete quantity which is denoted with L, and nobody knows what does it mean. What is the value? I mean, what is the point of all this? Of all this theoretical juggling with creating equations that they don't have any physical meaning. And also it's a deep question if they have any mathematical meaning. That's why I developed bijective physics research methodology. Every element in every mathematical equation that is used in physics must have a correspondent element in physical reality. Otherwise, we are just inventing physics out of the blue. I hope you understand this. Again, now I read in Nassim article. Of course, now a radius, we term the holographic radius RH, can be calculated for any mass m, giving the expression. Holographic radius is 2L and then m and divided with ml. Therefore, we find that the number of discrete Planck masses within a given mass m multiplied by 2L, which is a discrete quantity, will generate the holographic radius equivalent to the well-known Schwarzschild equation, so that in the case of equation 19, we have a non-relativistic form derived from discrete vacuum oscillator Planck quantities generating a quantized solution. The geometric equation 9 and the algebraic derivation 19 are both simple and meaningful, as they clearly demonstrate that the gravitational mass of an object can be obtained from discrete quantities based on a Planck spherical units. And then we can see here in the art, a little bit above the art, above, given that LR is L divided by 2, and utilizing equation 11, we now obtain what we have previously termed as the holographic gravitational mass. I mean, I studied physics for 40 years. What I read in this article of Nassim Haramein, with all my sincerity, I don't understand a glue. I don't understand nothing. if this, what is written under the equation 19, somebody understand, please call me. I'm ready to spend 3 hours of my time if someone could explain me what is the meaning that Nassim Haramein is saying about under the equation 19. I have sometimes impression that Nassim Haramein does not know what he's talking about. Really? I would like once to sit in front with Nassim Haramein and talk 1 hour about gravity. Because I defined very clearly what is gravitational mass. Gravitational mass is the result of the given mass m, which changes the structure of the superfluid quantum space, which diminishes the energy density of the superfluid quantum space in the center exactly for the amount of its mass and correspondent energy. So the outer space is pushing towards the center of the object, and this is gravitational mass. Gravitational mass is not a rest mass. And now, connecting this gravitational mass with the hologram, I don't see any sense in this. Because we know in optics what hologram means. No? Hologram means that you project something in the space, and in the space the three-dimensional structure will appear so that people can see it. This is what hologram technology makes possible today. But this has nothing to do with gravity. Entropy has nothing to do with gravity. A hologram technology has nothing to do with gravity. These are separate things. So if someone knows Nassim Haramein personally, please ask him that I would like to have a Zoom with him. And I would like to talk openly about gravity. Let's have a discussion with Nassim Haramein about gravity. He did great works. His film about how human beings, we are interconnected and connected with the nature and universe. These are beautiful things. How the consciousness is primordial energy of the universe. What actually this Nassim work is great. I have all respect. But when Nassim starts talking about gravity, and quantum physics and all this stuff, I have a feeling he don't know what he's talking about. And in this article, he still uses space-time. There is no space-time. Space-time model belongs to the past century physics. We know today that the space-time is invariant. Time invariant. We live in eternal now. And for the Nassim vision of how universe is, what is, this is a great insight. But I'm very suspicious that he will adopt the physics of now, because he is also very proud on his knowledge. On his quantum holographic model of gravity. Check this article, please, and please inform me if you see any physics there. I don't see it. Thank you for your attention. And my greetings to Nassim Haramein. He is a great guy.